everyone. So I'm taking you through my GBPUSD trades. So starting off from the daily, right? From the daily, what I saw here this morning, so as you can see, my key levels are already on my chart. My key levels, support and resistance, but key levels, the same thing. As you can see here, so what I am seeing today for GBPUSD, this morning, or like yesterday, price was creating a higher high, right? We are currently in an uptrend confirmed by this trend line. 1, 2, 3 touches, and my it looks like price will, this is a major support as well, this area here, right? So price is about to move down, but price is busy. Price did not break this area here, and as you can see, this is a daily. So price came from this high momentum, formed a higher high, and now it's retracing back, and it did not break this previous daily candle here, and also here. If you look to my left, if I look to my left, I see that okay, that lower low has not been broken yet. So I'm not looking for sells at the moment. I am looking for buy. So when I move over to the 4-hour, I've determined my direction, right? So now I'm gonna look for okay, 4-hour. Here we go. So let me just delete this trend line here. Okay, right, I hope you can see my screen clearly. So what I saw on the 4-hour, I immediately see this uptrend trend line. Okay, and then I saw this consolidation here, and then also I see double top forming here on the 4-hour. But what I did was I marked off this level here, because this is a major support level. If price were to break this level, that's when I thought that price could come all the way down here, because that's how the market reacts based on the structure. Because this double top is a sign of a reversal, right? So my bias was price would come down here, and test this trend line, because it is in line with our previous lower high. So test this trend line and then shot all the way up. But then this morning I saw a clear on the 4-hour, as you can see here. So price came down here to 1.182, and then it retested there, right? Retested this support area, and then it broke over this box, because I had a box here on the 1-hour time frame, as you can see here. On the one, let me just delete this. Delete. Okay, 1-hour, you can see that price broke out of my box. Price is busy, it broke here, but it did not close. So that's why I said my entry is gonna be here. Once I find a closing candle that retested, but moving over to the 15-minute is where I basically 15-minute basically look for entry. So look here what happened on the 15-minute, and normally I see this quick because I understand my chart patterns, I know my trend line, I know my trend, I understand structure, I know when price is, what price is going to do. When price break out of a box, I know that I wait for retest and then it will move in that direction. In this case, as you can see, price broke out of this box but retested, and now it's moving all along. It's moving beyond this box right now. So my prediction is that I will get in here and price will move all the way up to my TP is at 119.660. So yeah, that is how I trade on GBPUSD. That is how I look for entries. That is how I actually place my trades. That is how I, yeah, and my stop loss will always be below the previous low according to structure. That is also something that many traders don't do. And I also use a risk to reward ratio of 1:3. As you can see, this trade, yeah. Let me just do the 1 hour, then you will see. A high will be here. High up there. High will be formed. Right? So, yeah, as you can see, price is moving upwards, and yeah, and then I'll just wait, and then your patience come into play. So that is what I see currently. And also, it's trending below my MA. That's another confirmation. It's moving. It's above my moving average, trending right now. So yeah, the buys are definitely bullish today.